Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the government buying more garbage trucks. Now I think it was December last year, the government got 50 new garbage trucks. They actually arrived in the country and were put out to be used. And the government is now stating that they're going to buy an additional 50 garbage trucks. And with these additional 50, they will have enough to effectively and efficiently sort out the garbage issues in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives us more information on this. The government will be procuring an additional 50 garbage compactor trucks, including small units that can traverse narrow community roads. Governor General, His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen, made a disclosure while delivering the throne speech to open the 2023-24 parliamentary year in Gordon House. 50 garbage trucks were handed over by Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness to the National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) in December 2022, while 34 units were repaired to bolster the agency's collection capacity. The NSWMA is an agency under the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development. The Governor General said that the NSWMA will develop its capacity to transition to monitoring, regulating, and enforcing proper waste management. This will include a revision of fines and offenses to make them more relevant as deterrents, he pointed out. Turning to other programs under the ministry, the Governor General said that through collaboration with the Jamaica Social Investment Fund (JSIF), 3 fire stations were constructed at Barnett Street in St. James, Yallis in St. Thomas, and Port Maria in St. Mary. Preparatory work continues on the construction and upgrading of other fire stations around the island, he noted. Other projects include the completion of 25 indigenous housing units in St. Mary, Westmoreland, Hanover, and Kingston, and night shelters in Ocherias and Falmouth. The upgrade of several rural water supplies was completed, and Watermount in Penn/Lucky Valley and Watermount in St. Catherine and Salt River in Clarendon. So that is the article, the end of the article. So this is a very good thing that the government is doing, and you really have to admire the infrastructure work that's being done. Yes, they're building fire stations and such, but to get more garbage trucks, it will definitely help. And the 15 December plus the 50 that they're buying now plus the 34 that were built, that's 134 garbage trucks. So definitely I'm moving in the right direction. So hopefully the trucks get here very soon. Alright guys, let us know what you think about the article. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.